Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video from 88 Rotors Off-Road. Today we'll be setting up two Toyota Tundras for 35 by 12.5 tires. First up, we have this quicksand colored Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. We're going to be adding a 1-inch front shim, 1-inch rear lift shackle, and a body mount chop to clear the 35s. For the headlights, we're also installing a set of 6,000 Kelvin temperature HIDs. Here's our tech installing the rear lift shackles. I was a little bit busy at the moment and didn't get a chance to record the shim installation on the TRD Pro suspension, but here it is installed on the vehicle already. The front Bilstein shock was removed and a shim was added to the top. Here's a Tacoma that we did recently. The customer came back in just for a recheck and torque down just to make sure everything was on par before he went on his road trip. This is a complimentary service that we offer to every vehicle that comes through our shop. Here's a leveled out F-150 on 35s rolling out. Here, we reinstalled the factory TRD skid plate. With the new HID kit in the headlight, we are reinstalling it onto the vehicle here. And while that is happening, you see our tech chopping it up on the other side. Here, our tech is welding on the block-off plate. Here's the finished BMC with a fresh coat of paint on it. Here's a brand new Cavalry Blue Toyota Tundra also in for another body mount chop. And the final step, as always, is torquing down the wheels. You know what that means, it's ready to be pulled out. Back to the Cavalry Blue Tundra, we're welding on the block-off plate. Don't mind the factory suspension right now, there's actually a set of icons ready to go on. After that, you guessed it, a set of 35s. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, that way you don't miss any of our future videos. Here we are cleaning up the welds and getting it ready and prepped for paint. And the Quicksand Tundra TRD Pro pulls out. We gave this customer a free piece of styrofoam on his tire. Just kidding. Once again, thank you for viewing, and if you like this video, please give us that thumbs up. So stay tuned, we'll have some better videos coming up this next week.